of weeks ago, I got an email from Hard Candy, and they asked if I wanted to try out some new products, and I was like, oh my god, I can't believe Hard Candy just emailed me. That's insane. I was like, what? Alright, so I was like, okay, yes, definitely. And yeah, they sent over some stuff. So we're gonna talk about some of their new launches. Everything was sent over to me. Very excited. I don't know if this means like I will forever be on their list, but I am beyond grateful that I was like even found, that I came up on somebody's like feed or something and was like, oh yeah, let's give a chance to her. So regardless, I could not have gotten to this point without you guys. So a huge thank you to you guys, because I can't do this without your support. If you guys aren't watching, giving me feedback, I mean, this all happened because of you. So thank you so much. All right, they sent over a couple of products. They have a new collab with Girl Scouts, and it's this. This is the little like leaflet they sent with. It says it's a batch made in heaven. It says they baked up the perfect treats to celebrate individuality, confidence, and creativity. So that's cool. I did not get the whole collection. I got like little bits, but what I did get, I am super grateful for. All right, I'm gonna tell you what I got here. They also sent over another box. And this one I kept. The other one had my address on it, so I wasn't gonna show you guys. But this one has all of the, look how cool this is. This is like my like legit first like, ow, like PR. These are their lip oils. All right, so we're gonna do the Girl Scouts collection first, and then I'll go into the other ones. What I got in this was a super cute Get Ready headband, so we'll try it on today. I tell you right now though, my daughter has been eyeing all of this stuff, so whatever I don't use, she's gonna get. She's not into makeup just yet either, but she, you know, she's into skincare, she'll wash her face. This is how you put this guy on. It's supposed to kind of get your hair out of your face. It actually does a pretty good job of holding it in place. But now you guys can see how big my forehead is. Anyways, all right, I got these. These I'm not gonna put on. I'm not into like press-on nails. This is it's 24 press-on nails, Hard Candy. It says handshake. These are really cute. Oops. So it has about maybe like 2 sets, I think. I don't know. I was gonna give these to my daughter because, oh, I hate that sound. Lily's into press-on nails, and she's been like, Mom, can I have those? Can I have those? And I'm like, yes, just let me make my video and then you can have them. So those are going to my daughter. All right, now for the fun part, the makeup. This is actually really nice. I do like this headband. I feel like I kind of have a big head. It doesn't hurt, and it's actually holding everything back. I don't feel like it's gonna slip out. So I do like that. All right, they sent 2, they're called the Velvety Smooth Lip Colors. This I did try, the lip oil repair. This feels so good on the lips, and I'm gonna bring you guys back to like 2000 if you're about my age, and I'm gonna tell you what that reminds me of. And then 2 highlighters. So let's just open it up and let's swatch. All right, to the lip oil. The lip repair oil, this one is scented. It says that it's supposed to be inspired by the Trefoils, the cookie. Oh, everything is inspired by Girl Scout cookies. So this one, look how cute. Like, the packaging is absolutely cute. I love this. This, all right, if you guys are my age, so I'm 36, in like 2000, I was in middle school in the year 2000, 2001. Do you guys remember they used to have Lip Smacker lip glosses, and they had a vanilla one? They completely got rid of that line. Like, there's no more Lip Smacker anything. No more Lip Smacker anything. So when I tried this on, I was like, oh my god, this is like, it's almost the same. It's lightweight, it's a lip oil, it does have a high shine to it, it's not sticky, and it doesn't taste bad. So, like this, and again, if you are my age and you were like buying those Lip Smacker lip glosses, you need this. So this one has like a tiny blue tint, but it's sheer. It's clear. It's clear. These, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like that vanilla one. All right, so yeah, that's a good one. Then I have these 2 lip colors. We're gonna open them, we'll swatch them, and try them on. I've only tried a couple of things from Hard Candy, and they were mainly like cheek products, and I really did like them. This set is exclusive to Walmart, and it's obviously on their website. All right, let me take this down. Actually, I'm just gonna rub it in because my lips are on the drier side. So we have 2 colors here. Where's the name? Because I ripped this off. Okay, so the first one is Coconut Caramel, and this is a velvety, smooth lip color kind of thing. And it has a sharpener on the back. That's so freaking cool. All right, so let's swatch this one. That is a beautiful everyday kind of lip for my skin tone. I apologize, they're doing something outside. I have no idea what, but this one is in Thin Mints, and this one is such a pretty like coconut color, or like cocoa color. Let's try these on. Let's do Thin Mints first. Oh, that glides on really nice. It's like a minty chocolate, and I'm the only one in my family that loves mint chocolate chip ice cream. And this smells like mint chocolate chip ice cream to me. So this one is super pretty, very moisturizing, which I do like. Very pretty color. A little bit dark for me, but I could still, let me take this off so you can see. I can still rock it. It's giving me like vampy vibes. So that's Thin Mint. I do like that one. I think if you have a nice deep complexion, you're gonna love it. Okay, next up is the Coconut Caramel. This is gonna be a little bit more my speed. Oh my god, this smells delicious. This smells like coconut. And not overpowering, just you can tell that it's inspired by a coconut cookie. That's pretty. I like it, smooth. It does have a scent obviously, but I'm not tasting that weird waxy taste that I can't stand. Very nice. All right, these guys, I'm so excited to try these. I love highlighter. And I saw that they were promoting these too, and I was like, oh, I want that. All right, I have 2. So this one is Coconut Caramel. No, this is the Trefoil. I hope I'm saying that right. Trefoils. And this is the Coconut Caramel version of the highlighter. So Coconut Caramel we'll do here. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then the Trefoils. Guys, if I'm saying it wrong, let me know. Look at that, like, bounce. Oh my god. All right, I'm gonna do one on one cheek and one on the other. So the Trefoils, the lighter one, I'm gonna do here. That's really pretty. And I'm kind of doing like a spot highlight. That's really nice. It blends down really good. I don't see, it's not glittery, like there's no glitter chunks in there. I would say it's more of like a pearlescent glow. The Coconut Caramel I'm gonna do on this side. Oh yeah, if you are like tan, deep, rich skin tone, you're gonna love this. If you're about my skin tone, you can honestly wear either or. But if you're darker than me, I would say the Trefoil one is probably good for if you're me and lighter. If you're me and darker, do the Coconut Caramel one. That's really pretty. And it just like, it gives the skin like this nice wet glow to it. And these are them kind of blended out already. That is really nice. Love it. Now these are already on their website, and it's on Hard Candy's website too. So you can definitely get them already. These colors are really pretty. I feel like they're gonna be clear with like a little tint, but I am here for it. So we have 6 colors here. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch them on the back of my hand. I think that's the best way to kind of see all of them. So first up is called Deep Desire, which is this one. It's like, looks kind of like a magenta pink situation. Whoops. Oh, that smells good. We're gonna, that's Deep Desire. It has like the tiniest tint, but I would say it's clear. These are gonna be clear. This is Berry Divine. It's cute instead of Very Divine, Berry Divine. Oops. This one smells like the other one. That one you can see has a little bit more color, I think, than the first one. You can see the color for sure, but it's very minute. So don't think like, oh god, that's gonna be too much color. No, it's like a tint. This one, Scarlet Bliss. Scarlet Bliss, and then Peach Dream. So again, these honestly do not have, they don't have it like color, you know what I mean? I think the colors that like the packaging is fun, but don't worry, like they're all pretty much clear. And this is clear. I'm gonna put the clear on top. They all smell the same too. So just to kind of give you the quick rundown. Deep Desire. So clear, Deep Desire, Berry Divine, Red Scarlet, Pink Paradise, Peach Dream, and that's it. So the ones that have the most pigmentation, and that's saying a lot, it's like a tint of color, is gonna be Deep Desire and Berry Divine. The Scarlet Bliss one, I called it the wrong thing, I'm sorry, Scarlet Bliss. It has a tiny tint, but they're pretty sheer. So just in case you were wondering. Really nice. I love, and the smell is not overbearing. It has like a, kind of like a peachy scent to it, but it's very soft. Usually scents that are too strong kind of get to me. Really cute, like these very much. So do you need all 6? No, you don't need all 6. I say if you want a little bit of a tint, you can go for those barrier tones. Otherwise, it's a really nice hydrating lip oil. So, all right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.